If we need another.
What we'll have to be careful of is this.
We have 3 legs?
We may want to go ahead and use the 4 inches, the 3-legged deal.
There's another 4 right there.
Oh, that's a 24. That's a 24.
Oh, yeah, that makes
Yeah, it's a bit longer.
lopsided.
Well, cause see, I only put a 90 on that one. I
Right.
didn't put it corner.
We don't have another corner then, do we?
No, that's how come we can make 4 of them?
That's why I didn't get 4. Because, yeah, that's how.
Well, let's look at it, see if there's any
On
other
18.
configuration, so we at least have another bigger square.
Yeah.
So that gives us 2 24s and 2 18s. And we also have couplings that we could take.
I was gonna say, why can't these couple
Let's
together?
take a coupling and put the 18s in here, and so we'll have another bigger square. Is that, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so,
We can make big safe places. We don't
so
have to
Johnny,
make
put, here's 2 couplers, and RJ's got another 18 coming your way.
And you only have to take out like you don't have to take it completely apart to make it
Yeah.
Right, just
not a
to,
safe.
That's still a
Break a joint.
24.
That's a
Right,
24 by
but
24.
Johnny's making
That's
the
what I had
18.
earlier. Oh, that's a 24 by 24
24,
also.
24,
Pretty big dog
big
right
in
there.
here. Now, if this is all we have to work with, which I think, yeah,
You
no,
want the short
this
or
is
small?
the
Right
next,
here.
we're gonna do the big one, the small, this one's third, this one here.
Guy.
Now, but the question is, one question I have is, do we wanna put someone in with RJ? There's plenty of room. I mean, Heather could step in, but again, passing me.
And hand her an unsafe space.
You're handing,
Right.
I'm giving you an unsafe space, you've gotta set it out there, and you're in the process of passing RJ,
You can step into it.
or you've actually passed him, so RJ can be the next one to step in.
Put it corner to corner, you can get in there easier. There you go.
Get in there.
I think it's together enough she can climb in it.
Yeah.
Did it
Yeah.
twist on you?
Structure it
Yeah.
out, don't you think?
It's not a very.
Not a very.
Not a very safe space.
Okay, so am I going in this
Well,
one?
I would say you've already passed him, so RJ, go ahead.
Oh, okay.
So, I mean,
Yeah.
just kind of judging, you've moved in front of him, so he
Right.
can move in front of you.
so I'll pass her.
Yeah, you'll pass
Yeah.
me.
Okay, but now, it seems like we should be moving more people at this point.
Yeah.
Can I
Yeah,
take
get
this
a
one
few
and
people
pass?
over.
We could set RJ up with the next one, but it seems like, yeah.
Well,
go
maybe
ahead.
Bobby takes it and then
That's-
that's
passes RJ,
She's
puts it down.
passed.
Sorry.
She's fast, RJ. Sets it up.
Is RJ's box the biggest?
So we need to get everybody out.
No,
Right,
no,
we're
no.
getting to the point where,
Past me.
let's let Alicia go, and Alicia's gonna, what do you think?
I was gonna say, send Heather into the next one past him.
I can't pass.
Yeah,
but
you
you
could
can-
pass
you can go all the way
RJ,
up.
but,
Okay.
but we can also send Alicia and
Just
get
so
the
we can-
fourth one out there. Let's send Alicia with the broken one, and then the rest of us are all gonna have to get in,
And around.
and we're gonna leave
You
Heather,
don't wanna have to carry broken ones with people in there.
we're gonna leave Heather, and Heather's gonna step to pass someone and pick up this last piece and pass it
Yeah,
forward.
that's fine.
We're gonna need to do it twice.
This was good.
I think we're gonna have to do it twice. That's where,
Yeah.
Those two, yes.
just looking at.
So now I
it's
go
gonna
into
be-
that fourth one?
It's gonna-
No.
I think Bobby gets it.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah, Bobby's gotta pass you now.
Is that too far?
Right, you have to be aware of,
Someone in every one of these though, because
I think
otherwise
so.
we're gonna get a gap. And you can't
right,
go
that's
forward
right.
unless
That's
you
what we
pass
said,
it.
is our next move is all of us need to move in. But you have to be very aware that you're, if, like when Heather stepped in, she did pass RJ, so that's why RJ had to go on. Same thing with you, Alicia, just being careful
Not to
that
pass.
if whoever ended up in front, the person behind him has to go. Okay, so I would say, Charlie, why don't you go all the way up to Bobby? You're passing a person.
Ram
Hi,
all.
Charlie.
Matt, go for it. We've got to leave, at the very least, we have to leave the last
Broke her
square
safe
in.
place.
Johnny, why don't you try to, Johnny, why don't you get in there with Alicia,
Okay, now either one.
and then you and I can fit in with
Because-
Because it's a safe
Alright,
place.
go.
I can't.
Oh, you can move it this way.
Yeah, you can
Oh,
move
we
it
could
back.
move
you
it
just
back,
can't
As
move
okay.
long as
you're
it
right.
doesn't
But
go.
how can I pass someone?
You don't pass them. We can move it this way. We
Just-
can't move it that way.
Grab it
I'm
and
just
slide
saying we
it.
need to move it like
Perfect.
3 inches.
There you go.
Otherwise people aren't
Okay.
gonna make it in.
Okay, so now,
Logistically speaking.
Matt, you
Doesn't
passed
he have
Charlie.
first pass me?
No, you
So
have to pass me.
you were behind him,
Okay.
I think.
All right.
last I saw.
We'll check the video.
So we can just pass,
Bobby, can you
can
move
Matt
that
pass
past?
right on out into the
Can you
safe
pass the
zone?
I,
Can you make
Do
it
you want me
pass?
to keep going, or do you want
like
Charlie to
this?
go?
Is that fair?
No.
Okay.
Okay,
No.
Bobby, go ahead and go. You're gonna pass Charlie,
And
and then you're gonna pass
Me.
Alicia,
I think everyone passes into
and we can do that all the way. RJ, you could go. I'm going to go ahead,
When they come
Heather,
here.
because I want to leave. We want to leave one person in the square. So Johnny, will,
So nice and
Take it
slow.
slow, guys. Take it slow.
Johnny, and you can just keep it. You're gonna pass Charlie.
just actually jump.
You got longer legs than we do.
I'll pick up the last
Go, girl.
space.
I know. I know.
Nice.
Pass that through.
Nice. Glad that was right there.
What did he do? I
Couldn't
missed
even copy that.
Jumped like a foot.
Technically, you could go past.
Why don't we go ahead and
Charlie
set that one
Alicia.
back up again there, just to make
Yeah.
it easier for them.
Here.
See what I'm saying? Put it next to Alicia so they don't have to hop
Why
quite as
not?
far. Yeah, let's give them as much as we have.
Pass
Then we gotta do the passing thing again.
then you need another person.
Passing.
Well, no, Chris will just come in and bring his with him.
He's gotta stay.
Yeah,
So-
Neil will stay. Neil won't
I'm
come.
going to pass you, and you're going to pick up the last piece there of the puzzle.
It is.
Here you go, Leash.
Okay, now
See,
what do we
I-
have to build
I
over
passed
here?
you, so
We should
you
put
go
Something
start
big
on
enough
the
for
go.
everybody.
something big enough for everybody.
Okay.
42 by 42
go
is
all
what
the
we
way
agreed to,
out.
wasn't it?
We do?
Yeah, I'm going to pass Alicia. Alicia, you're going to break it.
Yeah, there's something we have to do over here. I think we build it again or make another, I don't know.
Construct
square.
something over here.
Coupling.
Coupling.
Are we supposed to be doing that as we're going, like, not standing on the ground here?
No, we're good here. This is another
Yeah.
safe place. It's like the patio. Right on.
So what do we have to build this?
We now have to
Coupling,
build
coupling.
a space big enough for everyone.
Yeah. Just like the
Okay,
one we
let's
had
get
in
Alicia
there.
across. Alicia's coming. Come all the way over. Neil, break it. Bring it, hand it to us. And you're
Coupling.
on
Yep.
point A, so go ahead and pass Charlie, however that works.
Another coupling?
Neil, you can come on through.
Coupling.
All right, hey, we made it. Nice job, everybody.
All right.
Good job.